After watching the manufacturing process of sandwich panels, I finally understand why this kind of board can become the preferred material for temporary buildings. It is simply a foam board made of iron sheets, which gathers many advantages, such as polymer thermal insulation, fireproofing, and sound insulation. It was once mythicized and widely known to everyone. Here in the local large-scale factory, the first step in making sandwich panels is for workers to cut open bags filled with polyurethane and let them flow into storage tanks. Polymers are pressurized and heated through the sealed tank in front of them. After dissolving and foaming, they can produce granular foam particles. These foam particles are incredibly light and can only be transported into iron pipes by the suction power of fans. They are then transported in batches to large machines in front of them. The raw materials are pressurized and processed through molding to obtain a foam board composed of millions of foam particles. These foams are not the same easily crushable packaging foams. They have ultra-high strength and toughness. Special tools are needed to horizontally divide the foam board into uniform sizes, resulting in neat foam boards one after another. After the sandwich panel raw materials are prepared, the next step is to make the steel plates. Firstly, the cold-rolled galvanized plates are firmly fixed and stably placed on the brackets. There is no uniform specification for the materials of the steel plates, which can roughly be divided into electro-galvanized plates, cold-rolled plates, and hot-dip galvanized plates. The colors of the steel plates are also diverse. For example, the color steel tiles on factory buildings are mostly blue or red. With the steel coil fixed, the steel plate is slowly flattened and put into the rolling mill. The rolling mill contains multiple sets of various shaped rollers, which repeatedly roll the steel plate until the desired shape is formed. Then, an appropriate amount of adhesive adjuster is injected into the machine. This liquid adhesive, similar to glue, effectively enhances the adhesion between the foam and the steel plate. At this point, a layer of uniformly covered strong adhesive can be seen on the surface of the steel plate, and the other steel plate is also covered with a coating. Then, the rollers will bond the two together. After multiple sets of high-strength rolling, the sandwich panel takes on its specific appearance. Judging by its thickness, such insulation boards should withstand sub-zero temperatures. By cutting the sandwich panels in proportion, they are finally produced. Sandwich panels were initially used to make airplanes, but later, because of their excellent lightweight and insulation properties, they gradually spread to building materials and decoration. Evolving to the present, it has become the primary material for building temporary rescue houses. This concludes the manufacturing process of sandwich panels.